Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love to do puzzles like me, but you don't have space because you need your dining room table, I have a perfect table for you. This is by Hebe, and it is a huge puzzle table. It holds up to a 1,500 piece puzzle. This one is 1,000 pieces, and it has taken me a couple weeks to get it done, but it has stayed safe because of this amazing protection that they have to go over it. A couple other things that make this table very handy is how adjustable it is. So you can raise and lower the height and the tilt. So no matter if you want to sit at the couch or in bed or at a table, this table will adjust perfectly. I really love the tilt feature because it really made it much easier to see the whole puzzle. There's also felt where the puzzle goes, so all your puzzle pieces are not sliding everywhere, but they stay put. This table is extremely sturdy and makes doing puzzles so much more enjoyable because I didn't feel rushed to get it done because I need my dining room table back. So if you're looking to do a puzzle and you need a little extra space, I highly recommend this. But that's just my point of view.